Welcome back to Coco's Baking, the follow-along baking show. Today we'll be making cherry glazed chocolate torte. And happy Father's Day to all fathers. And let's get started. A half a cup of butter margarine into the microwave for 1 minute. Put it into the bowl. What? Oh. Add 1 cup of sugar into the thing. Now it really looks like an egg, except the other way around. The yolk is white and the outside is yellow. See, an inside-out egg. Anyway, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into the thing. It might be extra vanilla for us, but who cares? Mix it together. It's thick. It smells amazing. Add 2 eggs into the bowl. I think I like some Chinese. I don't know. I just think I like some Chinese. So yeah, it doesn't say that at all in the book, but I'm gonna mix in between. Another bowl, add half a cup of flour. Add 1/3 of a cup of cocoa into the bowl. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Should have opened this before the video. There we go. Add 1/4 of a cup of baking powder. And then add 1/4 of a cup of salt. Stir it all together. Add it to the egg, sugar, other stuff mixture. Mix it together until well blended. Okay, I'm gonna sound like this because you were really good at it. a 9-inch pan. It's like white now, there's no way. It's gonna stick. Okay, and then put the mixture in it. Put the oven to 350. Sorry that scared you, hero. Put the thing in for, I have no idea how long, so I'm gonna go check that out. Okay, how long? 30 minutes. Take the thing out of the oven. Pull it out of the oven and then put it on here, and then yeah, that's what I can do right now. Put it onto a cooling rack. Put cream cheese, an entire package of cream cheese into the oven for 30 seconds. Put it into a bowl. Probably the best I can do. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar.
No, now say it.
Mix it together. Okay. Fold in 1 cup of Cool Whip. Add the white stuff on top of the cake. Because I'm pretty sure this, oh yeah, it's a Torte. I'm full lunch, totally, yeah. Yeah, spread it only on the top. Don't go down the sides. Don't go down the sides, okay. I know how to talk. Put 1 can of cherries, like kind of just drop them on 1 can of it onto the thing. S for